it's Mo here once again, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So for today's video, this is gonna be another monthly makeup kit plus get ready with me. So if bago ka pa lang sa channel ko and you haven't seen yet other videos that I did previously, so go check it out guys, and so you will see kung ano tong ginagawa ko. Basically, this is my makeup kit for the month of July, and this one, sa pouch na to, ito yung ginamit ko nung month of May. So, set aside muna natin yan. And then, andito sa pouch na ito naman yung ginamit ko for the month of June. And then, I have here another pouch. So, ayan siya. Ito siya, guys. Ayan. Ito yung mga products na gagamitin ko for the entire month of July. So, I hope you enjoy this video, guys. But, bago tayo magsimula, if hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel ko, please consider subscribing and hit that bell button below so you will be notified every time I post a new video. So, let's get started! Okay, so, ang una kong gagawin is, maglalagay muna ako nito. This is the Lux Organics na aloe vera with vitamin C. Kasi, alam nyo na, ang init-init ng panahon natin ngayon. So, kailangan natin mag-hydrate ng face natin. So, ayan siya. So, kamusta naman kayo guys? I hope you're doing okay, everybody. So, sana nasa mabuting kalagayan kayo guys. Kahit nasa pandemic pa din tayo. So, ingat-ingat na lang. And then, one of the best thing that we can do is to pray. Pray for other people and pray for our nation, pray for the world kasi wala naman tayong magagawa. Andyan pa talaga yung pandemic. So, yan lang yung magagawa natin, and then keep safe everyone. So, ayan, nag-dry na yung spray natin. So, next, I'll be using this Mary Kay Time Wise Day Cream. So, ito yung gagawin ko na parang base ng face ko kasi this is age minimized 3D day cream with SPF 30. So, sa init ng panahon natin ngayon, so kailangan natin ng something na may SPF to protect our faces from the sun. So, ayan. So, lagay lang tayo and then papatungan natin to ng foundation later. And by the way guys, pasensya na kayo sa paiba-ibang lighting kasi, you know, I'm just using a phone in filming all of my videos, so wala akong proper na equipments pa, but this is okay. Ayan. And then for the foundation that I'll be using, so this is the BB cream ng Bio Aqua, super wearing BB cream ng Bio Aqua. So lagay lang ako dito, and this is parang kinky, I don't know kung anong tone nito guys, pero medyo off to sa akin. So ayan, lagay lang natin dito. So in doing this guys, alam nyo, na-realize ko talaga na ang dami ko na palang products na nabili. Hindi ko man lang nagamit. So this is really, doing these videos, this series of videos ay talagang super helpful sa akin para hindi lang masayang yung mga nabili ko guys. So to blend this off, I'll be using this brush. This is also, I don't know, walang brand, pero nabili ko to sa Says Lady na store sa Shopee. So, and by the way guys, disclaimer lang, I'm not really good at makeup. So, ang mga ginagawa ko ay simpleng makeup lang to enhance our natural features ng face natin. So, if you're looking for like yung mga beauty guru talaga na sobrang magaling mag-makeup, so this video is not yours. You can go and find some mga experts when it comes to makeups guys. Kasi, you know, hindi talaga ako marunong guys. Marunong naman, pero kaunti lang. And then, hindi yung mga sobrang super transformation na talaga ng face. So, ang sa akin lang ay marunong akong gumamit ng mga products. So, yun lang. And, that's it. So, sobrang puti sa camera, pero Okay lang naman. What do you think, guys? And then, next is, for my concealer, I am gonna be using this Says Lady Full Cover Concealer. So, this one, alam nyo, ang sticky niya, ayan, and parang off pa yung kulay niya. Hindi siya parang bagay sa akin yung shade niya, pero wala akong magawa. Sayang kasi pag hindi gamitin, guys. So, gagamitin ko to, and then magsa-spot conceal lang tayo. Okay, so I'll be using this type of brush. Yan. Ako windowing may makeup, gusto kong gumamit ng brush. Pero yung iba gusto nilang gumamit ng sponge. How about you guys? Ano bang mas prefer nyo? So, I'll be using this sponge na ginagamit ko na to. So, gagamitin ko lang to blend this concealer. Yan. Kahit ba, guys? And then next, to set my face, I'm gonna be using this powder, face powder from Says Lady again. So, hindi ako gagamit ng loose powder ngayon. So, ito yung gamitin. So, brush lang natin para mag-set yung foundation sa face natin. Foundation and concealer. And by the way, guys, I have no idea kung ano na talaga ang itsura ko. So, nakikita nyo kasi, I cannot really see my face on the screen. That is why I'm using a mirror. Kasi, ang labo na ng mata ko, guys. You know? And then, for my eyebrows, I am gonna be using this LA Girl gel liner in the shade brown. So, ayan siya. Ang tagal na nito, guys. And hindi ko pa naubos. And, in fairness, gusto ko to. So, gagamit lang ako ng brush na ganito. So, may spoolie dito and then brush here. And then, kuha lang ako ng konti. So, this is my eyebrows. Ayan, super love ko tong product na to, guys. Kasi very pigmented and mabilis lang siyang gamitin. So, yeah. Highly recommend if you are looking for good eyebrow product. So, this is a gem, guys. And then, for my eye makeup, I am gonna be using this EB Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. So, ayan, ito siya, guys. And then, matagal na to, guys. So, gagamitin ko na to. And then, I will not be using any contour product. Then, mamaya, instead, I'll be using some of these shades para mas masulit ko ang gamit dito, guys. First, I am gonna be using this right here as my base. And, very powdery nga lang to. Pero okay lang. And then next, I'm gonna be using this color here. Super makulay. So, I'll just be using 2 colors sa eyeshadow ko, guys. So, na natin masyadong damihan kasi wala naman tayong lakad. Nasa bahay lang tayo. So, that's it. And then, I'm loving the color. What do you think, guys? And then, for my eyeliner, I am gonna be using this Sun eyeliner pencil. Eyeliner pen. Kasi, ganito siya. And then, kaunti na lang to, guys. So, uubusin na natin kasi sayang. Ayan. And then, ayan, guys. And then, going back to the palette, so, kuha lang tayo ng yung kulay na ginamit natin kanina and lagay natin sa lower lash line natin. So, konti lang. Yan. Next, so kakarl ko lang ang lashes ko bago ako maglagay ng mascara. Mascara, I'm gonna be using this Sun long lash mascara as well. So, same color sila nito. Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda pa naman ng packaging nila, guys. I really like this. Pero paubos na din to. So, uubusin na natin bago tayo bili ng bago. Yan. Okay, so for my contour, as I've said kanina, ito yung gagamitin ko. So, I'm thinking of mixing these two right here. So, yeah. Tingnan natin. Yan. What do you think, guys? Pwede naman, di ba? Ayan. Para hindi naman masayang yung ibang shades. So, let's be practical. Love it. The most important part na wag kakalimutan ay nose contour. So nga pala guys, I'm using this type of brush. So parang pabilog lang siya dito and then maliit. Gusto ko to kasi kasyang-kasya siya sa gilid ng ilong ko. I love it! Secret. Yes, and then for my highlighter, I am gonna be using this Says Lady highlighter powder. So, ayan, tingnan nyo yung kulay guys. We'll see if okay lang itong gamitin. So, using a small brush. So, ito yung gagamitin ko. So, walang tayo. And then, woo! In fairness. Ganda! And then for my nose, so gamit lang ako nito. O, diba? Nauna yung highlighter ko. Nakalimutan ko yung blush. OMG, sorry naman. So for my blush, I'll be using this Nichido powder blush in the shade Tomato. Nauna pa yung highlighter. Sorry na nga. Sorry na. Hindi nga ako masyadong marunong mag-makeup eh. So, ayan. Okay lang naman, di ba? So, pag naglalagay ako ng blush, sabi kasi, parang pag ganon, para magmukhang lifted yung face natin. Kasi, dati kasi ako, pag naglagay dito ko nilalagay. So, pag ganon daw, parang nahihila yung face mo pababa. Yan! And then, for my lips, I'll be using this Alice and Olivia by MaoLynn in the shade Kissed. So, ayan siya. Yan. So, the products na hindi ko naman masyadong ginagamit kasi parang nasasayang lang kapag hindi siya nagagamit. So yeah, this is it. Ayan, so simple, but I hope you like it. Thank you so much. I hope nag-enjoy ka sa video na to. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and kapag hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel ko, again, please consider subscribing and hit that bell button below so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Don't forget, Jesus loves you.